discussing in equal to integration of secant x to the power n dx. Okay, so these type of ones how to solve. So here also we are finding one relation. So for that what you will do, in equal to integration of this one we are writing as what, secant x to the power n minus 2 into secant square x dx. Why we are writing secant square x? Because secant square x integration is what, 10x. So that's why we are separating this one as what, secant x to the power n minus 2 into secant square x dx, so that this one we can do integrate. So here this one we are taking as integrating function and this one is a differentiating function. So here we are applying by part formula. So here what will become, in equal to secant x to the power n minus 2. Integration of secant square x is what, 10x minus integration of this one differentiation. So this one differentiation what will come, n minus 2 into secant x to the power n minus 2 minus 1. So what will come, n minus 3. Now we have to differentiate secant x. So secant x differentiate what will come, secant x into 10x, and integration of secant square x is what, 10x dx. This will come. So this one we can write in equal to secant x to the power n minus 2 into 10x minus integration of this is n minus 2 secant x to the power n minus 3 into secant x. So this one we can write secant x to the power n minus 2, and 10x into 10x what, 10 square x, and 10 square x we can write secant square x minus 1 dx. Okay, so this will come what, in equal to secant x to the power n minus 2 into 10x minus, here also we are separating. So this will come what, n minus 2 integration of secant x to the power n minus 2 into secant square x. So this will come what, secant x to the power n dx, and minus minus what, plus will come. So plus integration of n minus 2 into secant x to the power n minus 2, secant x to the power n minus 2 dx. This will come. So this one we can add what, in equal to, this is secant x to the power n minus 2 into 10x minus n minus 2 integration of secant x to the power n dx. So this one we can write what, in. So this will come in minus n minus 2, so plus n minus 2 integration of secant x to the power n minus 2 dx. So here instead of n, if I put n minus 2, so we'll get integration of secant x to the power n minus 2 dx. So instead of this one what we can write, I of n minus 2, correct? So minus of n minus 2, in we are taking in this side. So what will come here, in plus n minus 2 in equal to secant x to the power n minus 2 10x plus n minus 2 in minus 2. This will come. Okay, so in plus n minus 2 in. So what will come here, n minus 1 in equal to secant x to the power n minus 2 10x plus n minus 2 n minus 2. So from in what we can write, so in equal to n minus 1 we are taking denominator, so this will come out 1 divided by n minus 1 secant of x power n minus 2 secant x power n minus 2 into 10x plus n minus 2 divided by n minus 1 into I of n minus 2. This will come. So this is the relation. So by using this relation we can find out any integration. Now here, if n is even, if n is even, and if we are using this relation, then this will go till I0, and if n is odd, then this relation will go till I1, and I1 is what? I1 is what? secant x dx. Integration of secant x dx we can write easily. Okay, integral of secant x dx is what? Ln modulus of secant x minus tan x plus c. So that we can do easily integrate. Okay, but if n is even, so there is one more way is there for solving this. Okay, so what will happen if n is even? Okay, if n is even, so integration of this one we can write what? Secant x to the power n minus 2 into secant square x dx. Okay, if n minus 2 is even, if n is even, then n minus 2 also even. Okay, if n minus 2 is even, so this one we can write integration of secant square x to the power n minus 2 divided by 2 secant square x dx. And you can see that n minus 2 divided by 2, this is nothing but what? Integer, because n belongs to even. And secant square x we can write what? 1 plus tan square x. So this one we can write 1 plus tan square x to the power, some integer will be there, n minus 2 divided by 2 secant square x dx. Okay, and if tan x is t, then secant square x dx will be dt. Okay, so this will come a polynomial. Okay, because this is what? Integer. So 1 plus t square to the power integer dt. So polynomial we can expand and we can do easily integrate. Okay, so here we are taking one example. That example is I6 equal to integration of secant x to the power 6 dx. So here we have to put n value is 6. Okay, so how to integrate? So here we are using this one. So if you put n value is 6, so what will come here? I6 equal to 1 by 6 minus 1 is what? 5 tan x to the power, secant x to the power 6 minus 2, that is 4 into tan x plus 6 minus 2 is what? 4 divided by 6 minus 1 is what? 5. I of 6 minus 2, 4. So I4 will come. Then we will find out I4. So I4 is what? If I put here n value is 4, so what will come? 1 divided by 4 minus 1, that is 3. So 1 divided by 3 secant x to the power 4 minus 2, that is 2 tan x plus, if I put 4, so 4 minus 2 is what? 2 and 4 minus 1 is what? 3. So what will come here? 2 by 3 I of 4 minus 2 is what? 2. So will come I2. So I2. So if you put n value is 2, so what will come? 1 divided by 2 minus 1 is what? 1 only. So 1 divided by 1 secant x to the power. So secant is n is what? 2. So 2 minus 2 is what? 0 only. Tan x plus, if I put n value is 2, so what will come here? 2 minus 2 is what? 0. Okay, so 0 into anything is what? 0 only. So what will come here? 0 only. So what will come here? I2 equal to what? This is what? 1 tan x. So this will come. So I6 will come what? 1 by 5 secant x to the power 4 tan x plus 4 by 5 I4. So I4 is what? This one. So what will come here? In bracket 1 by 3 secant square x tan x plus 2 by 3 I2. So I2 is what? This one. So what will come here? In bracket I2 value, if you put here, what will come? Tan x bracket close plus c we can write at the end. So what will come? This one I6 equal to 1 by 5 secant x to the power 4 tan x plus 4 by 5 we are multiplying inside. So what will come? 4 by 15 secant square x tan x plus 4 into 2 is what? 8 divided by 15. So what will come here? 8 by 15 tan x plus c at the end. So this is your answer. So by using this formula, we can use this integration. Okay, to integrate this one, there is one more way. If n is even, so there is one more way to integrate. But if n is odd, then we have to use this formula only. Okay. So here second form is what? I6 equal to what? Integration of secant x to the power 6 dx. Okay, I6 equal to integration of secant x to the power 6 dx. So this one we can add what? I6 equal to integration of secant x to the power 4 into secant square x dx. Okay, so here power is what? even. So this one we can write what? I6 equal to integration of secant square x to the whole square secant square x dx. Okay, so secant x to the power 4 we can write secant square x to the power 2 secant square x dx. Okay, so this one we can write what? I6 equal to integration of secant square x we can write 1 plus tan square x whole square secant square x dx. So here if I take tan x as t, then secant square x dx will be dt. So this will convert as what? dt. Now if you expand this one, so this will come out integration of 1 plus tan square x whole square. So this will come what? 1 plus tan power 4x plus 2 tan square x into secant square x dx. Okay, now we have to integrate this one. This is very important. Okay, here you can make mistake. So I6 equal to, so to integrate this one we can do separate, that is easy. So this will come out integration of 1 into secant square x dx. So this will come out secant square x dx integration of, then what will come? Tan power 4x into secant square x dx, then what will come? Plus 2 times integration of tan square x secant square x dx. This will come. Okay, now this will come out I6 equal to integration of secant square x dx. So this is nothing more, this is plus, so this is what? Tan x. Integration of secant square is what? Tan x. Now here tan x is t, then secant square x dx is what? dt. So this will come what? Tan x to the power 5 divided by 5 plus 2 times, here also tan x is t, then secant square x dx is what? dt. So this will come what? Tan x to the power 3 divided by 3 plus c. This is your answer. But you will say that from first method we got this answer, but second method we got this answer. Why these two are different? Here both are same only. The only difference is what? Here we are doing secant x to the power 4 and here we are doing secant square x. If these two we convert in terms of tan, then we will get same form. So here secant x to the power 4 we can write as what? 1 plus tan square x whole square, and secant square x what we can write? 1 plus tan square x. Okay, now if you simplify this one, then this answer and this answer both will be same. So if n is even, there are two methods for solving this problem. Okay, one is this method, other is we can do by this process. But if n is odd, then we have to follow this one only. So there are two methods are there for even and one method for n is odd.